SceneClean offers our full range of services in the city of Roseville, whether that's blood or trauma-related services, death-related services, maybe due to a suicide or homicide, or a body decomposition. We also offer hoarding and drug mitigation services. And in the last year in Roseville, we have helped several clients, both commercial and residential. At SceneClean, we can handle all aspects of the project for you, whether it's the mitigation, the cleanup side, all the way through rebuilding. We are a preferred vendor for many of the large insurance companies that provide coverage to our area. But the process really starts when the customer either calls or emails us off our website. We try and be at any emergency job within a couple hours. We try and be at the insurance-related work within a day. And the days of needing multiple estimates for insurance providers are no longer needed with today's software. If it's a drug or hoarding related job, we'll meet the customer out at the job site and provide them a written estimate. Our goal is to have every client pay just the deductible at the end of the day if it's an insurance claim. Not hiring a proper contractor can lead to issues with their insurance and getting reimbursed by their insurance company. There's a few companies out there that do what we do, but they might do it on the side. They might be a fire water restoration company, and they maybe only handle a dozen or so bio jobs a year. Whereas at SceneClean, this is all that we do, and we do hundreds of these a year. The biggest difference with us is that we are local, and we have a great reputation, and we do everything we can to make sure that our customers are satisfied in the end.